This is Komshine QC250 fiber optical cleaner. This is Komshine QC125 fiber optical cleaner. Before cleaning, you can use KRP 500 to check the interface. You can see from the display it's dirty. Now let's check it. Remove the cap. Insert the connector. And push. Now finish. Let's check it again. It's clear, right? QC250. You can also use it to clean the female connector. Let's take the power meter as an example. Remove the protection cap. Extend it. And insert, push, finish. It can also work for SC and ST connector. For LC connector, you can use QC125 in the same way. Insert, push, and finish. Thanks for your watching.